Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be showing you how I prepare my peppered shrimp. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. So here I have my shrimp that was already cleaned and deveined with vinegar and lime juice. So now I am just seasoning my shrimp. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of fish spice. Then I'm going in with half teaspoon of garlic powder, and here I'm going in with about 2 teaspoons of fish seasoning, 2 teaspoons of paprika, and now I'm just going to thoroughly mix everything together and allow it to marinate for maybe about 25 minutes or so. So here are my seasonings that I'll be using. I have onion, scallion and thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and garlic. And after about 25 minutes, this is how the shrimps were looking. And now we're going to move on to our next step. So once my pan was heated, I added about 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I'm just sauteing the seasonings for about 20 seconds. And I did added a few peppercorns to my pan, and now I'm just adding in the shrimp. And we're going to saute the shrimp for about 6 minutes in total, because you don't want to overcook your shrimp, okay guys? So now I'm just going to cover my pot for about 2 minutes. And after about 2 minutes, this is how it was looking, guys. The aroma from the herbs and spices is everything. It was smelling so delicious. So now I'm just mixing everything together, and I'm going to allow it to cook for another 3 minutes. And peppered shrimp is a very simple dish to make, guys. I will list all the ingredients down below so you can give this recipe a try. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos, guys. And you can always hit that notification so you will be informed once I release a new video. Okay guys, so the same dish that I used to marinate my shrimp in, I did add about 3 tablespoons of water and half tablespoon of paprika, and now I'm just adding that to the shrimp just for a little kick of color. You can always do what you like or what you prefer once you're preparing your own peppered shrimp. Some persons use food coloring, but I prefer to just use some of the paprika. I don't want the color to be too red. Alright, so do what works for you. So once it was about 7 minutes, now I'm going to turn off the flames and then I'll plate this up. And here it is, guys, once it was plated, and look at that steam coming off of the shrimp, and the aroma was kicking. Guys, I did add some more scotch bonnet pepper once I plated it. This is optional. You can always choose to add the amount of spice that you want, but this was so delicious. Please give this recipe a try. You won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching another video. Until next time, bye.